Bonjour and welcome to Easy French Cooking. Today we are going to learn a super quick and super simple egg recipe. Well, it is ideal when, let's say, it's Sunday night, you want to prepare a quick meal, you're not too sure what to do, we don't have too many ingredients available. Well, we will solve that problem. I'm Victor, and in this video we are going to cook œuf en cocotte, which is baked egg in a pot. There are so many variations, I will just give you a few ideas, but that's one you can be really creative with. That's what we are going to cook, 4 different types of œuf en cocotte. So, ready for the œuf en cocotte? Let's go! You don't need many ingredients here. All you need is 1 egg per person, some butter, and salt and pepper for seasoning. And that's it! And then you can be creative with whatever else you can find. Grated cheese, chopped mushrooms, a bit of parsley, chopped onions, a little bit of ham. It doesn't stop here, so have a go, try new ideas, it's all part of the fun. And here is the gear. So for the basic œuf en cocotte, you will only need 1 little ramequin per egg, an oven dish, a kettle to boil the water, of course you can boil it in a saucepan if you like, and kitchen tongs. They are optional but quite useful, I will show you why. And of course, if you are adding other ingredients, you may need a chopping board, a knife, and probably a saucepan. So only really basic kitchen utensils. Before you start, turn the oven on 200 degrees. Rub some butter in your ramequin, not even using a brush here. Then add salt and pepper. For the plain œuf cocotte, just break an egg in it. And that's it! Your preparation is done. Yes, it is that simple. Now, let's try a few other ideas. Number 1, œuf en cocotte with ham. Again, rub some butter in your ramequin. Add a tablespoon of creme fraiche. Cut some ham and add it at the bottom. Break the egg and season with salt and pepper. Some grated cheese on top. I'm using Compte here, it's king cheese. Or you can use Gruyere or any type of cheese, of hard cheese. And for a special touch, I grate a little bit of nutmeg on top. Number 2, œuf cocotte with mushrooms. As usual, I rub some butter in the ramequin. I have chopped a mushroom here and some parsley. I'm adding some lemon juice, olive oil in the saucepan. When it's hot, we add the mushrooms and the parsley. Some salt, pepper. After 2 to 3 minutes, we're adding the mixture in. Break the egg in and season with salt and pepper. Number 3, œuf cocotte grand-mère. This is a classic. I'm rubbing, as usual, some butter in the ramequin. I have chopped some onion and now olive oil in the pan. Once hot, we add the onion. Add a spoonful of sugar. When the onion is getting caramelized, add a little bit of salt. Once the onions are caramelized, add them at the bottom of the ramequin Add a spoonful of creme fraiche, a teaspoon of whole grain mustard, break the egg in, season with salt and pepper. So now you have 4 different variations of egg cocotte, and there are as many as you can think of. Place the ramequin in the oven dish. Now add some boiling water so that about the half of the ramequin is in the water. We're going to cook them like that in the oven, in the water. That's what you call a bain-marie. So now, in the oven for about 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, you can take your eggs out of the oven. Use the kitchen tongue to remove the ramequin from the water so that you don't burn your fingers. And voila! 4 different variations of œuf en cocotte. I'm adding a little bit of creme fraiche to the plain one so that it is a little bit less plain. You can of course use a knife and fork to eat them, but hey, just dip in some bread. And that's the way to do it. Who needs cutlery? This is gorgeous. Bon appétit! Œuf en cocotte, my friends. A brilliant, super quick and super easy meal. So try different ideas and see how you like it with bacon, capers, mixed herbs, tomato sauce, and let me know in the comments what you have tried. So if you want to learn more easy traditional French recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Easy French Cooking and check out my other videos. In the meantime, keep on cooking. À bientôt!